Hello everybody, welcome back to the Battle Lounge with the ClickyWalls system. In this video, it's going to be a quick video, just a 5-minute one if I can. I'm very busy at the moment, but I just wanted to show you guys some of the really cool parts that are in the new town centre bundle. There's this bell, it's obviously printed that way up, but it goes upside down, and this is the floor section. It's got a little trapdoor. So that goes over that part there, and then it sits inside the tower like that. So then you can see the bell, and the bell's hanging upside down. So there's that bit. There's this little section which is the roof that comes on the porch. It's separate, but if you want to use it, you could just glue it on above a window, for example. So that's a cool little bit. We've got lots of these little tiny wall type sections like this. Some of them are flat, some of them have got the brackets on the top. We've also got some more variations of this with like the window in there. We've even got this one which is really nice. It's got a little tiny door in that little tiny profile wall. We got the really big clock which has got some cogs, so you can use it either way depending on what you want. But this is the massive clock. It's got independent hands on there, so you can set the time on there if you want to. That's not it, that's the old clock. There's another little clock somewhere, I haven't got it here. Then we got various little windows which can act as shop front. This is probably one of my favourite pieces. It's a shop front glass window, so you can print lots of these off, and then obviously there's the door variant there. Really nice. We've got another iteration of the picket fence. This is called the soft picket fence because the pickets are a lot wider and stronger. The other ones I find that they were a little bit flimsy, so you have to be a little bit careful with them. So if you want something more robust, this one's really good. This one is also designed to work with floor sections. If you've got the outside floor sections in, the gate will still open, whereas the other one it won't, because it's not designed to, whereas this one is. So that's quite cool. That section will also work with the floor flockers as well. If that's set in there, the doors will still open on those. So that's the little picket fences, really nice little touch. Then we've got the awnings, where we've got two of these. There's a big one and a little one. And this is just to be used obviously as a marketplace style thing, and they just clip on with the rebates on there, or rabbits if you're American. I don't know why they call them rabbits. It makes no sense to me. Anyway, yeah, they're really cool. But we've also got a big one. This is slightly different. This has been changed as it's missing this bit, because I realised that this was a little bit too long. It's fine if it's on a standalone, but actually if you print two of these, they will now sit back to back over a double-sized market area. You could use these nice open brackets for the market stalls. These are also used for the belfry in the bell tower. And there's two variations of these. So you've got the wooden one, and then you've got the stone one, depending on which one you prefer. Again, lots of these little different types of walls. Some of them have got gaps in them. These are used to go around the tops of a building. So let me just grab this a minute. So if this was the top of your building, you can pop these all the way round. Obviously put your small connectors in to join them up. And then when you drop your floor in, that acts as like a little retaining wall around your building or whatever it is. And there's a couple of different variations. There's the brick one, and then there's the timber one as well. This floor, which is really cool, the staircase, this is an outside staircase. It's a little bit higher than the other one, but it clicks into the walls, which means it's really good, especially if you've then got that upper level like that. It's at the right level so that you can go up to your roof section, as it were. Yeah, that's the little crane. As I said before, this can just click on to any of the support structures, or if you want to put it on the front of the roof. Not all roofs have it, but some roofs you can just click it on however you want it, something like that. These little parts are a little bit unusual. They don't serve any purpose other than they are variations of what I was going to put in here. I ended up putting them in because I thought some people might want to create their own paper awning section. So rather than print it out and use up lots of filament, a lot of people want to be creative. But let's just say that you could design something, probably glue it all together so that it's, you know, it's fixed somehow, and then you could make yourself a little paper awning and paint it all up with fancy stripes or something like that. We got lots of these little signs as well in this town centre bundle and other bits and pieces. This goes on, goes on the spire. The spire's the biggest bit. I'll put it on this one up here. It's a nice chunky bit. It takes a long time to print, but it's fantastic. It looks so good on the table when you've got a nice big wizard's tower or clock tower or something like that. It's really good. There is a little bit missing here, so you could, if you wanted to, put one of the chimneys in which fit into this. Not the chimney pots, but the chimney like the little standard chimney or the wonky chimney will fit in there. Or there's a little print out that you can just put in there if you want to just keep it as tiles, and you could just glue that in if you wanted to. Okay, there are more bits, guys, but I've run out of time now, so I'll try and showcase those in another video. But for now, keep printing, keep playing Dungeons and Dragons, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys. Bye bye.